Take a ride in the 2025 Mercedes-Benz GLE. The GLE comes with a full Mercedes luxury experience. It combines the sports sedan performance with SUV stability. It comes with beautiful, serene-looking interiors and a command system that is close by to access every setting under the sun, and is priced below $70,000. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: driver adjustable suspension, ride control, power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, hill descent control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, starter type, motor generator, rear fog light. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.